Thousands of years ago, humans didn't understand why people suddenly became weak, sick, or exhausted. Entire populations suffered fatigue and disease simply because they were missing essential nutrients. Today, science has uncovered the truth, and in this video, we're uncovering the 7 nutrients your body absolutely needs to survive. 1. Protein, the nutrient that rebuilds your entire body. Right now, your body is destroying itself. Every second, old cells die, muscles tear, and tissues break down. Even while sitting still, your body is constantly repairing damage from the inside. And the nutrient responsible for rebuilding almost everything is protein. Protein is the construction worker of the human body. Your muscles, skin, hair, organs, hormones, and even parts of your immune system are built using it. Without enough protein, your body slowly weakens. Muscles shrink, wounds heal slower, hair becomes weaker, energy levels crash. Imagine trying to build a house without bricks. That's basically what happens when your body lacks protein. And here's the crazy part. Your muscles constantly experience tiny tears even during normal activities like walking or climbing stairs. After exercise, those tears become bigger and protein repairs them, making muscles stronger than before. Protein is made of amino acids, often called the building blocks of life. Some can be made by the body, but essential amino acids only come from food. If you don't get enough protein, your body eventually starts breaking down its own muscle tissue to survive. Foods rich in protein include eggs, chicken, fish, beef, milk, beans, tofu, and nuts. 2. Vitamin C, the nutrient that saved thousands of lives. Hundreds of years ago, sailors mysteriously became weak during long voyages across the ocean. Their gums bled, their teeth loosened. Some became too weak to even stand. Thousands died from a disease nobody understood. The cause turned out to be a simple lack of vitamin C. After sailors started eating citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, the disease almost disappeared. One tiny nutrient saved thousands of lives. Today, vitamin C is famous for helping the immune system, but it does far more than that. It helps repair tissues, protect cells from damage, and produce collagen, the protein that keeps your skin, blood vessels, and tissues strong. Without enough vitamin C, your body slowly starts falling apart from the inside. And unlike many animals, humans cannot produce vitamin C naturally. Your body completely depends on food to get it. Low vitamin C can lead to fatigue, weaker immunity, slower healing, and unhealthy skin. Foods rich in vitamin C include oranges, calamansi, guava, strawberries, broccoli, and kiwi. And surprisingly, guava contains even more vitamin C than oranges. 3. Iron, the mineral that carries oxygen. Every breath you take is useless without iron. Oxygen enters your lungs, but it cannot travel through the body alone. It needs transportation, and iron makes that possible. Inside your red blood cells is hemoglobin, a protein that grabs oxygen and delivers it throughout your body. Without enough iron, your blood struggles to carry oxygen efficiently. That means your muscles receive less oxygen, your brain receives less oxygen, and your organs receive less oxygen. And when your body lacks oxygen, everything slows down. You feel tired, weak, dizzy, and exhausted even after resting. This condition is called iron deficiency anemia, and it's one of the most common nutrient deficiencies in the world. The scary part is that it often happens slowly. Many people think they're just stressed or lazy when their body is actually struggling to transport oxygen. Iron is also the reason your blood is red. Foods rich in iron include beef, liver, spinach, beans, seafood, and dark leafy vegetables. 4. Fiber, the nutrient that cleans your digestive system. Most nutrients are absorbed into the body. Fiber is different. It moves through your digestive system almost untouched, and somehow that's exactly what makes it important. Think of fiber like a cleaning system for your gut. Without enough fiber, digestion slows down, causing constipation, bloating, and digestive problems. But fiber does much more than that. Inside your gut live trillions of bacteria, and fiber feeds the good ones. Scientists now believe your gut may influence digestion, immunity, mood, and even brain health. Fiber also helps control blood sugar by slowing down how quickly sugar enters the bloodstream. That means fewer energy crashes after eating. And because fiber slows digestion, it helps people stay full longer. Foods rich in fiber include oats, fruits, vegetables, beans, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. 5. Calcium, the nutrient your body steals from your bones. Most people think calcium is only important for bones, but calcium also helps your muscles move, nerves send signals, and heart beat properly. Every second, electrical signals travel through your body, and calcium helps make them possible. Now here's the scary part. If your body doesn't get enough calcium from food, it begins stealing calcium directly from your bones. Your body prioritizes survival first. It cares more about keeping your heart beating than protecting your skeleton. This can happen slowly for years without obvious symptoms, until bones become weaker and fragile. Almost 99% of your body's calcium is stored in bones and teeth. Foods rich in calcium include milk, yogurt, cheese, sardines, tofu, and leafy vegetables. 6. Omega-3, the fat that powers your brain. Most people hear the word fat and immediately think unhealthy. But some fats are essential for survival, and omega-3 is one of the most important. Your brain is nearly 60% fat, and omega-3 helps brain cells function properly. Scientists have linked omega-3 to memory, focus, learning, and heart health. And here's something fascinating. Your brain contains billions of nerve cells constantly sending electrical signals to each other. Omega-3 helps those cells communicate more efficiently. Without enough omega-3, those connections may not function properly. Omega-3 also helps reduce inflammation, which may damage tissues over time if left uncontrolled. Foods rich in omega-3 include salmon, sardines, tuna, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. 7. Magnesium, the nutrient quietly controlling your body. Magnesium may be one of the most underrated nutrients in the world. It's involved in more than 300 chemical reactions inside the body. 300. It helps regulate muscles, nerves, sleep, energy production, and stress responses. Without magnesium, your body struggles to perform basic functions properly. One of its biggest roles is helping muscles relax after they contract, which is why low magnesium may cause cramps, twitching, and tightness. Magnesium also helps regulate signals between the brain and body, and may influence relaxation and sleep quality. And here's something many people don't realize. Stress may actually lower magnesium levels, meaning the more stressed you become, the more magnesium your body may use. Foods rich in magnesium include nuts, seeds, spinach, beans, avocados, and dark chocolate. Yes, even dark chocolate contains magnesium.